Idioms. An idiom is a group of words with a meaning different from the literal meanings of the individual words. Idioms are often used in everyday language to express ideas in a colorful or imaginative way. Idioms can be a powerful linguistic tool only when they are used in the right way in the right places. The only thing that makes learning idioms a time consuming process is the fact that one cannot depend merely on the meaning of individual words to understand what the entire phrase means. So, now here the question arises, why are idioms important? The first one, they enrich language and make it more expressive. Number two, they help you sound natural and fluent. And the third one, idioms often reflect culture, history, and tradition. Now, structure of an idiom. Idioms usually consist of a fixed phrase or expression and cannot be translated, and word for word means they don't make sense literally. For example, break the ice. If we see its literal meaning, then its literal meaning is smash frozen water. And if we see its linguistic meaning, then it gives start a conversation in a social setting. Now, how to understand idioms? The first one, learn them in context, means through reading, stories, or dialogues. Number two, use idioms, dictionaries, or apps. And number three, practice with real life examples. Let's see some examples of idioms. A piece of cake means something very easy to do. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. Under the weather means feeling sick or unwell. Burn the midnight oil means work late into the night. Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely. The ball is in your court means it's your turn to take action. Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive. In hot water means in trouble. Throw in the towel means to give up. Through thick and thin means in good and bad times. Cold feet means becoming nervous. Set the record straight means to reveal the truth. Kill two birds with a stone means achieve two results by doing one thing. Now, here is an important note about tips to learn idioms. The first one, learn 5 idioms per week and use them in writing or conversation. Number 2, watch English shows or read stories to see idioms in action. And number 3, use flashcards or quizzes for memory. Now, here is an idiom story, a piece of luck, where you have to note which idioms are used. Last year, I was down in the dumps. My job was boring, my friends were busy, and life felt like a dead end. One morning, I decided to turn over a new leaf. I thought enough is enough. I need to follow my dreams. So I packed my bags and moved to a new city. Everyone thought I was barking up the wrong tree, but I didn't care. In the new city, things didn't go smoothly. I was burning the midnight oil trying to write my first novel. Some days I felt like throwing in the towel, but then I met Lily. Lily was smart, funny, and full of ideas. She always said, "Don't cry over spilled milk," whenever I made mistakes. With her help, I finally got the ball rolling. My novel was accepted by a publisher. The day it got published, I was on cloud nine. My book became a bestseller overnight. Truly a dream come true. Now, when I look back, I laugh. Life may throw you a curveball, but if you keep your chin up, every cloud has a silver lining. Now, here is an idioms which have been used in the story. For example, down in the dumps means feeling very sad. Dead end means no progress. Turn over a new leaf means start a new and better life. Breaking up the wrong tree means doing something based on a wrong idea. Burning the midnight oil means working late into the night. Throwing in the towel means giving up. Cry over spilled milk means worrying about something that can't be changed. Got the ball rolling means started something successfully. On cloud nine means extremely happy. Dream come true means a long desired wish becoming real. Throw you a curveball means give you an unexpected problem. Keep your chin up means stay strong and positive. Every cloud has a silver lining means there's good in every bad situation.